Hello everyone, welcome in Cool IT Help. Guys, in this video tutorial we will see the looping of vertical text scrolling on video. I'm going to show you how we can do it. First I will show you the demo, what kind of scrolling I am talking about. Here is the sample video that I have prepared. Now guys, see this. The center aligned text is running from bottom to the topward direction and it is disappearing on the top, and again it is appearing from the bottom. So this is inside the loop and this text keep moving till the end of the video. So guys, we can do this thing with a single ffmpeg command. I'm going to show you. Okay, so first I will close this video. Okay, and I will delete this example to avoid the confusion, and this is our file. So here the command is ready and I will explain about this command, and I will show you the most important things that you have to consider. Okay guys, this is ffmpeg, the instruction, and then the input file. There is a draw text filter, and this is the parameter font file, and we are using arial.ttf. After that we have a parameter text file. That means we going to load some text that is available here in this notepad. So you can put your text here in this notepad, and in this example we are using the text file. So whatever the formatting I have used here, the line change and the spacing, that will be maintained on scrolling text. Okay, after that the most important thing, the calculation of x and y coordinate, because our text is running at the center of the video, bottom to the top direction. Okay, so we have to calculate the y with respect to time. So this is the formula where we are calculating the y with respect to time. So you can see in the notepad there's an offset calculation for the y. It's simple. We have a total height h of the video, and it is keep reducing with respect to time. At t is equal to 1 second we are reducing 100 pixel, and then t is equal to 2 seconds we are reducing 200 pixel, and this pattern is keep going on up to the top screen of the video. Okay, so when our text reach at the top of the video, then this y will be reset because we are using the mod. So the calculation is doing in such a way, when our text will reach at the top of the screen and it will disappear. Okay, then it will again reset and it will appear at the bottom of the screen. So we will see the effect of continuous scrolling in loop. As you can see, this is the factor. If you want to increase the speed of the scrolling, so you can increase this multiplying value. So as an example, if I am using 3, so the speed will slow down. If you want to increase this speed, so you have to increase this number. And guys, x is very simple. This is the calculation to reach at the center of the video, or you can see the center of the screen. And this is the most important thing of this command: x calculation and the y calculation. Guys, you can see one more time. I'm focusing on this because this is the most important thing of this ffmpeg command. Okay, now I just copied this and I am going to run this, and I will show you the practical demo here. So command prompt is open. You can observe the info.txt, that input file in which we have the text, and the video is side by side in the same folder. Okay, command is ready. Now I'm going to press enter. Command is executed, and now I'm waiting for the output. Meanwhile, you can see one more time the command. Okay, this is the y calculation and this is the x. N is here n is the number that will increase 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 this way. Okay, output file is generated. Now we will see the output file. Okay, this is output 8.mp4. okay, here's our file. Okay guys, now see this. The text came out from the bottom and it is moving in the upward direction and now disappeared. Now finally again appeared from the bottom and keep going on the top. And this is inside the loop, and this loop will go on till the end of the video, you can see. So guys, we have seen the text vertical scrolling within loop, so you can explore more with this command. You can do more variation by changing the position of X and by reducing the speed of the text in upward direction, or you can set this motion from top to the bottom, or you can put this text on anywhere on the screen by calculating the value of X. So X will decide the position on the left hand side, on right hand side. So guys, this is the ffmpeg command. If you guys have any doubts, so please comment. I will try my best to reply as soon as possible. And guys, if you found this video useful, please like this video, and guys, please subscribe my channel. You can press the bell icon if you want the latest video updates. And guys, for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT help.